Everyone can be a leader. You just have to go for it and not be afraid of failure.
It is never too early or too late to make a change.
We can be the pebble in the pond that creates the ripple of change.
HOBY is a nonprofit that supports youth leadership through service learning and getting involved with local nonprofit causes.
Someone saw the potential in me that I could be a leader.
Students work hands-on with community service projects. It's not just about theory, but about actually taking action and putting your leadership skills out there.
I see the ambassadors each year and how they bond day by day and welcome each other into the group and participate more and more. And you can literally see the impact on their faces and the smiles. And it's really, really wonderful getting to see them, how different they are from when they walk in to when they leave.
HOBY is a national leadership program that's been inspiring high school sophomores since 1958. HOBY New York East has been part of that mission since 1986, impacting over 8,000 students from across the region. The entire program is run by volunteers who work year-round to make this weekend possible. Our alumni have gone on to complete over 100,000 hours of service in their communities. It all starts with one life-changing weekend.